Hello, hello. My name is Samir, and I want to become a robotic engineer. Okay, this is my goal, and I'm learning it. Okay, I'm not a teacher. I'm just learning it. I want to become a robotic engineer, and I don't have any prior information, knowledge, or education about this. And my school has completed. I'm 12th pass, and I haven't gone to college. Okay, I haven't gone there, and I'm a working man. Okay, I'm a working man, but still I want to become a robotic engineer. This is my goal. This is why I want to be. And why? But why do I want to be a robotic engineer? Because this is my childhood dream. Simple, that I want to be a robotic engineer. Okay, this is the reason you can. Uh, I mean, I mean, I think you understood what I want to say, because I don't know. I mean, this is the reason you can have that. This is my childhood dream. That's why I want to be. Okay. But in short, it doesn't matter what is the reason. The real main thing is that I want to become a robot engineer, and let me see in the copy. And how are we going to be a robotic engineer? Why am I making this video? Why am I making this video? Because I think that I can learn it very well if I do this. Because first of all, this is a challenge to me, that how can I fulfill this in front of the world by creating this video. And second, that I believe that there are a lot of people who can teach me. Okay, I mean, I know that sounds weird. It sounds weird that what what sort of logic here, right? I know. And but still, I think, I mean, there are, I mean, I'm thinking that there are a lot of people out there who wants to become a robotic engineer, and by creating this video and a lot of videos on YouTube, it can be very helpful for them, and also, and they can help me also. Okay, we can I mean, learn together. In short, we can learn together on YouTube. Okay, that's why I'm making this video, and the all the future videos that I'm going to create and publish on YouTube. Okay, and how are we going to be a robotic engineer? So um, I asked this question, um, for a minute. Okay, I asked this question from, should I use here? I should ask this question. Okay, I think I should say it like this. I asked this question, Gemini, and that how can I become a robotic engineer? And uh, she told me, she gave me I mean, a list, five main important thing. She told me that I can learn to become a robotic engineer. So let's see that. Okay. Okay. Okay, so uh, this is the information that Gemini gave me in the response, when I asked him that tell me how can I become a robotic engineer. So she gave me these five steps: step one, two, three, four, and this is the five. She gave me these five steps. First one is master the core programming languages. I mean, in short, she's telling me that we have to learn these two, especially these two languages. First one is Python. Second one is C or C++. Whatever you would like to choose, you can. And but I am learning these two languages, Python and C++. I'm learning these two languages right now. Okay, but why do I mean, why do I need why do I need these two languages? Okay, why can't we go for only one? So the reason is Python is used for high level logic. prototyping and AI machine learning. So in the simplest form, simplest thing that we can understand, that is we are going to use Python for AI and machine learning. Okay. And C++ we gonna use this language for low level, um, for example microcontrollers, fast execution and memory management. For these reasons we have to use these two programming languages. By the way, I'm learning these languages, and I would suggest them to you, that you also learn them. If you want to become a robotic engineer, you must learn those languages. Step 2 is understand electronics and microcontrollers. So here we can see microcontrollers uh, that was mentioned in the step 1, that why do we need to learn C++. So this is the reason that we can control or program microcontroller. So that's why we have to learn C++. And after learning C++, we have to learn microcontrollers also. I mean, in short, we have to we have to play with them. Okay. So and but the between electronics and microcontrollers, the most I mean yeah, hard thing and important thing to learn, that is electronics. This is then going to be easy for us to learn, but I'm going to make videos on electronics and microcontrollers like Arduino and ESP32. Okay. So after this video I'm going to make videos, and two separate playlists I'm going to make. First one is for electronics, and second one for microcontrollers. Step 3, learn mechanical design and kinematics. The goal is robots are not just brains, they are physical bodies that move through space. These steps involve learning CAD software to design parts, and understanding mechanical linkage, and diving into kinematics math behind how robotic joints move. So I think here the most important thing is kinematics. I think that's what I think, that this is the most important, and this is going to be I mean both of them, um, the important and hard thing. Okay, important and the hard thing that is going to be happen in between them, that is kinematics. Because CAD software is just a software, and you can learn it just watching YouTube videos. You can easily learn CAD software. Okay, obviously you know that software and apps are easiest thing to learn, but kinematics is going to be little bit tricky to learn, but we will learn it. That's not a big deal. We will learn it. Okay, let's see step 4. Step 4 is the level up to complex system and operating systems. So here we can see microprocessors. Move away from simple microcontrollers to powerful microprocessors that can handle advanced robotics. This means mastering Linux, the absolute operating system for professional robotics, and eventually learning ROS, robotic operating system. By the way, one more language that we have to learn, that is Bash, and it is not mentioned here, but Linux is operate. I don't think it is operate, but we can uh, control or access Linux using Bash. Okay, so this is another programming. I think it's, I mean, not like that programming language, but I think it's whether we can write code there like a programming language. So in short, we have to learn Bash. Okay, that's it. We will see it in future. So right now we don't have to worry about that. Step 5, in step 5 dive into mathematics and AI integration. So here both of them is very important. Okay, we already know that mathematics is an easy. Okay, but we are informed that we have to focus on linear algebra, calculus, and coordinate geometry. um, there's high possibility that I start learning math, especially, I mean, linear algebra, calculus, and coordinate geometry. I mean, um, I'm saying that I'm going to make two kind of videos. First one is for microcontrollers. Second one is I'm going to make videos for electronics from scratch. I mean, I'm a beginner, as I told you that I don't know about anything in robotics, so I'm learning it from scratch. And one more thing I would like to learn with them, that is math. In math, I will focus on linear algebra, calculus, and coordinate geometry, because I know that I'm not. I mean, in short, math is not a thing that you can learn in months, like 2, 3, 4, 6 months. You can learn. It takes long time to I mean, stay in your mind. Okay, I know that you can solve a linear algebra problems, calculus, and coordinate, but after some time you forget them. Okay, y- it wipes out from your brain at some time. So to keep it in your mind, we have to learn it again and again, with the little, with small steps. We don't have to learn them all at once. We can learn them with small steps throughout the whole journey, throughout the step 5, that when we reach to the step 5, we are ready to learn AI integration. Because that time we will have already learned linear algebra, calculus, and coordinate geometries very well. So that's what I'm saying. So in short, I think I will make three playlist. One is for microcontrollers, second one is electronics, and third one is math. Especially, I mean, especially what is especially, I mean, it's, focusing only on linear algebra, calculus, and coordinate geometry, and the other things that we are going to need for these three things. Because you know that in maths, we when we learn something, we have to learn we should have already few more things, a few more concept understood uh, before learning anything in math. I mean, like linear algebra doesn't mean that you can just start learning linear algebra. You probably uh, yeah, I mean, you should have already few more concept understood already. That's what I'm saying. So these are the steps that we have to follow. We have to uh, reach to become a robotic engineer. By the way, I think there are few more things are not mentioned. That is Gizbo or Gazbo something. Okay, one more thing I think I forget to tell. Okay, no, I think I have mentioned. Okay, so step 5, we have to focus AI integration, that we have understood already. We don't have to uh, I mean, I don't have to tell you anything about this. The most important thing that we should aware of, that is that we are going to need mathematics, that is especially linear algebra, calculus, and coordinate geometry. So right now I would like to I think I would like to end this video, and we have discussed a lot on this. So um, in short, let's see whatever is going to happen, let's see that in next video. Okay, so let me end this video. So till then, bye, see you in the next video.